Hey YouTube, JagKnight999 back here with the fourth part to Blue version. So we just got this train left to go through the Verdant Forest, and we should be done. And Brock should be coming up in Peter City. Let's go with a peck. Let me get through this a Pokemon coming my way. Yes. Now we gotta go to the Verdant City, or Pewter City, I mean. My bad. That grass area is pretty much just all the same. Do we need a heal? Yeah, I'll do that. And grab some potions. I want about 6 potions. Sounds good. Up here we have a space museum, and it has fossils in it too. Over here just got a bunch of houses. Once you get cut, you can sneak into the back of the museums without having to pay. We can't go past there because that dude will tell us we're not strong enough. He has a neater in telling us to sit. A Pokemon is an outsider, so it's hard to handle. An outsider is a Pokemon that you get in a trade. It goes fast, it may ignore an unskilled trainer in battle. If only we had some badges. What do they say? Did you check out my museum? No. We absolutely have to go. Oh, great. It's like $50 to get in, so let's go in there. I think I'm actually going to separate the gym battles from the videos. So I'll get red done to up here. This is one magnificent fossil. This is an Aerodactyl fossil. Primitive and rare Pokemon. Down here is like a Kabutops. Same thing about Aerodactyl. We have a space exhibit now. Moonstone. What's so special about it? July 20th, 1969. The first lunar landing. I bought a color TV to watch it. That's good. Meteorite that fell on Mount Moonstone? Yes. And here they have the Space Shuttle Columbia. My bad. She wants a Pikachu. Her dad won't give her one. The dad's looking for a Pikachu. And now there's nothing much more to look at here in town. So I'm actually just going to end this video. It's going to be a really short video. But we got a battle in there. This is the gym. Pewter City Pokemon Gym. Leader Brock. Waning Trainers, Red, soon to be us too. Hey, I can tell you have what it takes to become a Pokemon champ. I'm no trainer, but I can tell you how to win. Let me take you to the top. Sure? Alright, let's get it happening. The first Pokemon out in the match is at the top of the Pokemon list. By changing the order of the Pokemon, matches could be made easier. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna stop it right here. There's Brock at the top. One of his gym trainer people's at the bottom. So, yeah. Next video will be me battling Brock. And yeah. I'll catch you guys later. Go check out my other channel, Axel Vacation. It should be somewhere on my Dragonite Lancer 99 channel. Subscribe to both those channels if you already haven't. That'd be really nice. And comment and hit the like button. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.